Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing great today. Today, Marie and I, we're going to be making a little small meal just for 2 people. And this is a good basic meal. It's called potatoes and ham.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat.
And it's sort of like a soup. And I think if you try it, you're going to love it. It sure does look delicious. Our ingredients is going to be 4 potatoes, and we're going to peel them and chop them up. We got 1 slice of ham steak. We picked this up at Walmart for $3.70. We got that yesterday. We're going to use 1 onion on it. We're going to use 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and we're using the soup that's gluten-free, but you can use regular mushroom soup if you're not allergic to gluten. And then we're going to be using some shredded cheddar cheese on it. A little bit of salt, not too many seasonings on it at all. But I think this is going to turn out real good. The recipe looks good, don't it, Marie? And so we're looking forward to it. We're going to be cooking it in this little Pioneer Woman crock pot. Normally you see us with our big crock pot out here. This small one, we got it. I believe we bought this last year at one of the church yard sales. And so we've never used it. So this will be the first time we're going to use it. Hopefully it works good.
If it don't, we'll just transfer the soup and put it in another pot.
Yeah, we won't have a choice, will we?
No.
But this is, I think we only paid $5 for this. Like I said, we got it at a church yard sale, and we've never tried it. But we're going to give it a good try. Okay, so we're ready to get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get these potatoes peeled. And Marie, she's my helper on this, so she's going to peel these potatoes for me, and she is fast. Marie, you're pretty fast at peeling them potatoes, girl. I like that. Now I've got to chop these potatoes up into smaller pieces, and I think I'll do that because it's hard for you to cut with a big knife, isn't it, Marie? Okay, so let me get these chopped up. Okay, there we go. We got all those potatoes chopped up, Marie.
I think you're faster than me.
Okay, we're going to get started assembling our meal. First thing I'm going to do is spray the inside of this crock pot.
We're going to have to put that on the grocery list. We're just about out.
We're getting low. Put just a little bit of potatoes on the bottom. This will be the first layer. Okay, that looks good. Put just a few onions on it. And then I need some salt and some cheese. Marie, my hands are wet. Will you open that for me? Thank you. And I'm going to put just a little bit of cheese on there. We won't put much in between each layer. Okay, next I'm going to put another layer of potatoes. Okay, now we'll put some more onions on it.
I really love crock pot meals.
I do too. I love getting to...
Just put it in and forget it.
I love getting to eat them after they've been cooking all day and smelling so good.
Yeah, some people don't like to use their crock pot, and they don't even like crock pot meals, but I've always found it very helpful for me.
Okay, and we'll go 1 more layer of potatoes. This is going to be pretty full here. It may not hold all these potatoes, Marie. I don't want to overcrowd it. Put some of these small ones on top. Okay, I'll stop right there. I'm not going to overcrowd it. And then a few more onions on top. some of these little thin ones and put on there too. And some more salt. And some more cheese.
This is going to be a good supper meal or dinner meal, whichever one you want to call it.
Okay, the last ingredient is going to be the cream of mushroom soup. I may have to get a spoon to get this out, but
If you do, I can go get it.
hopefully it's just going to come on out. Okay, let me get a spoon and spread it down just a little bit. Okay, I've got my cream of mushroom on there, and now I'm going to add some ham to it. I may have it almost too full, Marie. Hopefully as it starts cooking, it'll settle down just a little bit.
Yeah,
Okay, that's pretty full there.
yeah.
I need a paper towel. Okay, I'm going to try to get the rest of this soup to go in there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to cover it up, and I'm hoping as it starts to cook that it will settle down just a little bit, but I'm going to cook it for 6 hours on low, and I will check it to make sure it's not too dry, because if it's too dry, I can add just a little bit of water to it to keep those potatoes moisturized. So let me get this turned on low. Okay, so we got it cooking. We'll be back with you. We'll check back with you in about 6 hours when it's done. Okay, everyone, we're back. This has been cooking for exactly 6 hours. And I want you to look at that, how good that looks. Don't that look good, Marie?
It really does.
Okay, I'm going to scoop down in here. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That looks good. Okay, when I put the ham in a while ago, I didn't put all the ham in because it was too full. So what I did, I waited till it heated up just a little bit. And as it heated up, I was able to put the rest of the ham in it. And I stirred it a little bit so the ham's all mixed in with it now. And I want to put some more cheese on top of it, Marie. But I guess I could put it on just our individual bowls. But let me put just a little cheese on top of this first. I sort of want to get a picture of it with
Was
with
she
the
going
cheese
to put parsley flakes on it?
I'm going to put some parsley on it real quick. That should be enough parsley. And let me get a quick picture of this. Okay, Marie, let me give you a bowl of it. And while this was cooking, Marie also made us some real good fresh cornbread. And this is regular cornbread. It's not Mexican cornbread today. And this little crock pot is almost completely full. Got you some more ham to go on top there, Marie. There you go.
Thank you.
And we'll need to sprinkle some more cheese on top of it also, Marie.
Okay.
Let me get me some.
Get us a spoon.
Okay.
You want a spoon or fork?
I'll take a fork. Okay, set my tea over to the side, and I'm going to put a little more cheese on top of mine. And do you want some more parsley on yours, Marie?
Yeah. So I'm going to put a little black pepper also. You haven't got a picture of these, have you?
No, not yet, but I'm fixed to.
I should have not put the black pepper on.
It's okay. It'll be fine.
I think pictures look better when it's not on. I forgot.
That cornbread sure does look good, Marie. I hadn't had cornbread in it's been about a week, I think, since I've had cornbread or longer, and I love cornbread. Marie, this looks fantastic. You ready to do a taste test?
Yeah.
Okay, Marie, yeah, I'm ready to do a taste test also. And looks like we got enough in here for maybe one more good serving of this.
Okay.
So that is perfect, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to get a small potato first. They're probably really hot. They are hot.
I'll wait for mine to cool.
Oh, that was hot coming out of that crock pot. Let me cool my mouth down a little bit. That was good though, a lot of flavor. Let me get a little small piece of this ham and try it too. Well, that ham is wonderful. Hot. Okay, I'm going to get one more small bite of this. I hope it's not too hot. Boy, that is so good, Marie.
It has real good flavor.
Let me get some of the mushroom sauce in it. Two thumbs up on that. That is good. Now, the potatoes have got just a little bite to them, so it might could have went for maybe 30 more minutes or so, a little bit longer on the potatoes, but I did have that crock pot completely full. But they're perfect just like this. I like it.
Yes, it's very flavorful.
I didn't try the onions. There is some onions in there. So we're going to go in here and we're going to enjoy this meal. If you try it, let us know how you liked it. And if you don't have a little small crock pot like this, you can make it in a bigger crock pot. I just figured this would be the perfect size for just, 2 meals for us. And it worked out pretty good, didn't it? Only thing is, if you could tell, it was full all the way up to the rim. So it just barely did hold it all.
And it's an economical meal also.
Yeah, it didn't cost very much to put this together.
Yeah.
Not at all.
If you make it larger, you can feed a whole family on it for not much money at all.
That's true, yeah. Okay, y'all. Y'all have a great day. I'm not sure what day I'm going to post this video on, but hopefully you'll be seeing this on Monday or Tuesday of this coming week. But hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video. And I'll let Marie close out our video for us.
Okay, so like Kevin said, we'll see you on the next video. Hope y'all have a great weekend. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.